Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie and today we are looking at the SCT Sampler Kit for January 2021. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step is the inspiration card for this kit. The products in this month are from Simple Stories Hello Today collection. Normally we get two different paper collections, but it looks like this time we are just getting the one. We have a Lawn Fawn stamp set, some foam adhesive from scrapbook.com, and some wood veneer and plastic heart shapes from Kingston Crafts, and of course an exclusive acrylic piece that usually aligns with this, so 2021. So let me pull everything out of the packaging and we'll take a look. So these are the ephemera pieces that I received with my kit. I also got this thicker Happy that coordinates. As far as the little bits and pieces go, there was a 2021, like I said. There are some hearts and arrow wood veneer, and I also received some green enamel dots. And the plastic shapes from Kingston Crafts were these two hearts in pink. This is the stamp set we received from Lawn Fawn. So from the Simple Stories collection, we got these stickers. And I think the idea is you could use them in a planner if you wanted, or actually the paper has a real kind of calendar theme to it. So for the 4x6 elements, these are the cards that I received. You could trim these into 3x4, and then the back side has a pattern. I am not a pocket scrapbooker, so I will probably end up using the pattern paper instead of the pocket cards. I already have a ton of pocket cards. I really do not need any more to add to my stash, but I think I could use the back sides. I have no idea what I am going to do with this yet. I don't know that I have enough to do full scrapbook layouts with the ephemera pieces I have, so I may have to pull stuff from my stash. We'll see when I get to playing what I come up with. So those are the 4x6. You get a lot in this kit, that's for sure. It's definitely packed. There were also 6x8 sheets. Normally we get 6x6, and again, they kind of have a cut apart feel to them. And they are very calendar specific. So if you do pocket page scrapbooking by calendar, then this would be a really lovely kit or a lovely collection to use this year. I'll probably see if I can use some of these as embellishments maybe, but I'm sensing a lot of the backside is what I'm going to end up using. I don't have my month in review album up yet, but I've already started that. If I had known this was coming, I may have changed my approach. So if you are interested in what the month in review project is, I will put a link up below for what I did last year. And what should be coming soon is an overview of last year's album, like a quick flip through, and how I set it up for this year in 2021. So that is what I have to work with. Let me see what I can come up with, and I will be back to show you. So this kit just felt like it kept going and going and going and going. And I think I am done. I still have scraps I could probably make more out of, but I think I'm finished. So I do have some little odds and ends. I have these, they're all going in the recycle bin. I cut out the label off of this one. Again, you could use this. I'm pretty much finished with the kit. I think I got my money's worth out of it. And there's some 3x4 cards, but I don't particularly care for any of them, so they're just all going to get recycled as well. From the sticker sheet, you can see I made an attempt at using them. I still have a few left, so this will go in my flat sticker box. As far as die cuts and ephemera and all those little bits and bobs, I only have 2 pieces left, and the acrylic piece, and I still have a few foam dots. I did not use the stamp set. I noticed that's a trend with me. I don't tend to use the tools in the kit. I'm not sure why, probably because it just feels like it's an extra step that I'm not prepared to do at this time. So I made one double page spread. Basically I took the 6x8 papers and cut 2 4x4 squares out of a bunch of them and then just laid this grid pattern, and then I took a small, I think this is 1/2 inch of the stripe to just kind of frame that out. And then at the top, the floral piece and the polka dot to make the border up there. There's that piece that I cut out of that 4x6 card, and this is one of the ephemera pieces. I have a large amount of space for a title, and I'm thinking some journaling up here, and then of course the photos throughout. The rest are all cards. So you're going to notice a trend with most of the cards because I use the same layout for pretty much all of them. Basically, I die cut using a postage stamp die, a large piece, and then I used a 3x4 card on top. And I made 4 base cards. These need some sort of focal point and sentiment. Some of the cards I put some embellishments on the inside to finish them off. You can see they're pretty basic cards, but they will do the job. Okay, now the ones that I finished, I made 9 of those. So this one here, I added a piece of scrap from my stash. This is the plastic heart from Kingston Crafts. The enamel dots are also from my stash, and you're gonna see these alpha stickers quite a bit. They're a Felicity Jane tile, puffy sticker, and this was obviously from my stash. This one just has the little hi in the middle. Hi, let's do coffee, that kind of thing. I used the foam happy to basically do the greeting happy birthday. These acetate pieces were from my stash. I just had them on my desk and I thought why not use them. And then the wood veneer are from Kingston Crafts. This one, even though this base is the same, this is also a pocket card. I just cut it off at the edge. More of those alpha stickers. This one said something like let's start or time to begin or something like that. So I just put the number 2 in front of it. I have a nephew who will be turning 2 in November, so that's perfect. This one I just played off the heart and did the hashtag heart you. This one I added one of the ephemera pieces with the arrow underneath. The enamel dots were from my stash. Here's another one where I played off the heart. Again, same sentiment. They'll be great Valentine's cards. For this one, I'm using it as an encouragement or thinking of you card. You know, when someone's going through some rough times. There's the plastic heart again, and then I just popped up one of the ephemera pieces on the pop dots. This 3x4 card said everything is okay, and I'm turning this into, again, thinking of you, you know, for someone who's struggling, and put in the words hope everything is okay. And that, my friends, is everything that I have made with an SCT Sampler Kit for January 2021. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy crafting.